loud, please.
What is that, Nathaniel? Is it moving?
This is a moving
It's
bird,
turning.
kid. Libby.
Yay!
I want to move this way.
You want to move forward?
Yeah. Hold on. Michael can't go in the way, Mommy. I want us to move there. Will it will?
Grace?
Can we say thank you, Aunt Libby and Uncle Joe, for these gears?
This on. I don't want any more gears on.
Okay, you can put a lot more gears on there and have this very big thing moving across the floor. This very large, wacky wiggler.
I don't got a big gear.
Can you show it to me?
Oh, they already plugged in, so they can actually go.
Yeah, they're plugged in.
Why these stuff plugged in? Me. Where you put these gears on? Put these gears on. No,